ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Deputy Inspector General John Kishipai Border Security Force ka Meghalaya Frontier Udi Hakib ulayatho baka jinker sainar ya khapot Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh yamenta kala dep pura hado nyo 4% kabasa salai 4% ka jinker sainar Shia kadang sa teng na kadaw baki bor sarkar kidang ya penbet ya ki jaka ki puta baki reu shimet ki badan ya ki jaka hasilinter ka khapot katkum gajinya tho jangu Hakib ki jaka khapot ki bempat dep ban ker sainar Shia ki day ha ki benta jong ke East Khasi Hills but katto kat ni ha ki benta jong ke West Jaintia Hills district.
In Meghalaya, it's about 70% has been completed. The remaining around 30% is still to be completed because of certain reasons, certain issues like land acquisition problem, and then a place where construction can be taken up and cannot be taken up, like the nalas and the rivers, because of the 30% are still pending, and efforts are on to complete it very soon. Mostly it is in the East Khasi Hills, but in other places also, in Jaintia Hills also, there are certain patches, but maximum are in East Khasi Hills. The main reason I have already mentioned that it is regarding the acquisition of land. So this, as you know it, the system in Meghalaya land acquisition, all the land is belonging to individuals and the communities. It doesn't belong to the government. So acquisition takes time. The process is very lengthy process. That is one of the main reasons that we are not able to complete it. By saying that land will be falling to Bangladesh, it is not correct because the international boundary is already marked. It is already well demarcated. So how it can go to other countries? Wanted that it should be, but there is international norms that any construction has to be carried out beyond 150 yards from the IB. This is applicable not only to the BSF, not only to the India, but also applicable to the neighboring country like Bangladesh. So that international norms, we have to follow it. Yes, on humanitarian grounds, in patches like the village is right on the border, near to the border, we take it a permission or concurrence from the government of Bangladesh through the BGB, then the single roof fencing is constructed right on the border, or maybe around say 10, 15, according to the situation on the ground.